Event type is civil emergency. For all of Canada. Numerous spacecraft of supposed extraterrestrial origin have been sighted over most major Canadian cities, including Toronto, Montreal, Calgary, Ottawa, Edmonton, Winnipeg, Quebec City, Halifax, Regina, St. John's, Victoria, Fredericton, Red Deer, Cape Breton, and Laval. Those in Canada must seek shelter by order of the Prime Minister, as these spacecraft may be hostile in intent. Further updates will be broadcast when available.
Le type d'événement est une urgence civile. Pour tout le Canada, de nombreux engins spatiaux d'origine extraterrestre supposés ont été aperçus au-dessus de la plupart des grandes villes canadiennes, notamment Toronto, Montréal, Calgary, Ottawa, Edmonton, Winnipeg, Québec, Halifax, Regina, St. John's, Victoria, Fredericton, Red Deer, Cap-Breton et Laval. Ceux qui sont au Canada doivent chercher refuge sur ordre du Premier ministre, car ces engins spatiaux peuvent avoir une intention hostile. D'autres mises à jour seront diffusées lorsqu'elles seront disponibles.
Emergency. Emergency. This is an emergency watch and act advice. Information regarding a possibly dangerous event in our country will be broadcast shortly. The current threat level is watch and act, meaning that you should be aware that an incident is taking place, and you should seek a place of safety immediately. Seek shelter, now. Seek a place of safety, now. Seek shelter, now. Seek a place of safety, now. All major Australian cities are currently reporting unidentified flying aircraft in the sky. It's unknown why these aircraft are here, but it is thought that an extraterrestrial attack is soon to take place. There is a risk of mass casualties if there is an attack waiting to commence. Devices such as mobile devices and landline phones also have received alerts pertaining locations of these aircraft. If you are driving and are less than 5 minutes from your destination, complete your journey. Otherwise, pull over safely and seek shelter. Further updates will be broadcast when they become ready for broadcast.
Action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its normal programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and updates to specific areas. This is KSAT. We will continue to serve the Topeka area. If you are not in this local area, tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone lines must be kept open for emergency use. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Topeka area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government in the North American Aerospace Defense Command. At 6:30 a.m. Eastern Time, 3:30 a.m. Pacific Time, NARA detected multiple unidentified spacecraft entering the atmosphere over the United States. At this time, the intentions of these craft are unknown. All residents of the United States must seek shelter immediately. Move to an interior room away from windows. Generate as little heat or light as possible. Only keep your current device on, as this emergency broadcast may be tailored to carry vital information. Those within the following cities are at greater risk as a spacecraft or multiple spacecrafts have been detected over these areas. New York City, New York, Los Angeles, California, Chicago, Illinois, Houston, Texas, Phoenix, Arizona, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Charlotte, North Carolina, Bismarck, North Dakota, Boise, Idaho, Memphis, Tennessee, Denver, Colorado, and Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Repeating, seek shelter now.